Alright YouTube, how the hell are you all doing today? I am doing great, thanks for asking. So today I'm bringing you guys a spectating solo Warzone battle royale. Basically the motto is, I kill myself and then go on to Gulag. Whoever kills me there, I'll just spectate them. If it goes on or whatever, they kill them, I keep watching them, or depending on if it's like that. So hopefully, whoever kills me, I just constantly just watch them, see how they go. Yeah, let's, good luck to them. See how we go anyway. I've had a few drinks, so I shouldn't actually put that in the camera. That's actually bad. No, don't drink, kids, don't drink. But yeah, we're going to try and pump out a few videos as well. I'm in a mood right now, like, not like a bad mood, but you know, I'm in a vibey mood, you know what I'm saying? Whenever this fucking loads in, because it's taking actual ages, I'm just seeing a spinny Warzone. Okay, there we go. Now it's loaded in. Watch them die, watch me die, watch them, and then we'll be alright. So hopefully we're going to see some banger content for you guys. Hopefully it's better than the last one. Hopefully we won't get a fucking spud who literally just looks at the tower and just pop, 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 and misses every shot. You know what I'm saying? Well, he didn't even look at a guy. I'm talking about my old video as well. So holy shit, why is nothing rendered in? Nothing's rendered in. Oh, whoa, 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 what's happening? Why is my 3060 graphics card can't handle... It obviously can't handle this fucking 2K. Warzone can't handle 2K. Okay, hold on boys, we're gonna have to change it, I reckon. Hold on. It doesn't look too bad. No, you know, the scenery looks a bit blurry, but you know, nothing can load up here. I reckon we're gonna have to dim this down, boys. I reckon we're gonna have to dim it down. Hold on, let's just kill ourselves first. And then we'll hold on, let's just pop that and so we can just fall straight to the death. Maybe try and kill someone while we're at it, like maybe get a few hit markers. I don't reckon we can get any hit markers though. I'm just randomly shooting at this point. Alright, come on. Get a hit marker. What? I don't want to, I want to shoot. Boom, boom, boom. There we go boys, we are dead. Now, for the main part of the video, oh hold on, we're not actually the main part of the video, we're not spectating. We have to die, boys. Not too bad. I'm looking at my other monitor and I'm looking at OBS and it doesn't, I mean, it doesn't look like bad, you know, like fucking, let me know if this is like shitty quality or not, like, hopefully it's not too bad. I'm going to give this guy the Chris Breezy 1-2 combo, watch it. Watch it, he's going to regret ever facing me, bro. I'm going to fuck his day up. Look at him, he's going to regret life. Boom, boom, boom. Hit marker. Watch it. I'm going to embarrass him. You ready? Don't worry. Nude. Embarrassing me. Alright, chief. Alright, let's spectate him. Let's see how he goes. Alright, nude. Let's go, baby. Huh, I don't... Can I comment and say... Hold on. Does party? Tap to change channel. Tab to change. Oh, alright. What's up? I don't reckon he's gonna see this. Does he say that? Because I'm watching him. Nude? I don't reckon. He's going pretty fast with it, I'm not gonna lie. Like, look at him go. Don't know if he wants the AK-74. He's gonna maybe pop out the window. He maybe hears a chest upside, but he doesn't want to go get it. I don't know why. There might be shield. Oh no, don't worry. It was in that house. To forget. Oh, I thought it was in the house what he was in. Guys, he's gonna grab, or maybe the great, whatever that. What's that gun? Holy shit, that looks sick. Is that like the Graw? Yeah, he hears a chest. Don't reckon he's gonna get it. Come on, mate. Grab the chest. You'll be alright. Come on. He's gonna maybe contest, man. No, nothing's there. He's gonna find a legendary loot box. That's insane, bro. Like, throw that down, loot it up. You'll be alright, mate. Yep, grab it. Go out, jump out the window. Come on, do some John Wick shit. Come on. Right now, he could get sniped from halfway across the map and he would freak out, start building shit like it's Fortnite. But I don't know, what the fuck am I saying right now? I'm gonna throw some claymore just in case something pops out behind him. Maybe he might spawn peek and maybe get the kill, but he's just chucking that claymore down just in case someone peeks through and tries to kill him, you know? That's insane plays. Like, literally, this guy should be an MLG. When you think about it, literally, this guy could become the next Scumpy, next nade shot. He could be in FaZe. Literally, you think about it, Nude could be in FaZe. FaZe Nude? Sounds like Nuda. That's another YouTuber, isn't it? He never commented back. Gotta be honest. I'll write in tab. Let's try a different one. Yo! I don't think he's gonna see you, like. Is he buying me back? Oh no. Shit, I thought we were in a team, bro. He hates me. I don't know if he's going. Oh, there's a guy, tango! Let's go, but come on, dude, come on, baby! Go, reload, change! Shoot! Dude, you're insane, bro. You are insane. Insane. Bro, he was shitting himself, that other guy. He was like, I don't want to fuck with the nude. I'm ready. Oi! Oh, nude, you drop shot at him like it's advanced warfare, baby. Come on. Oh, you first. I mean, I think that guy just literally just got that other kill, and then he came in, finished him off because he was probably low health as well. He's a fucking boom, 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 dead. He's out. Out of the game, back to the lobby, baby. Gonna buy another UAV. Oh, smart plays. We just found out there's another guy right there. Was he coming in from the sky? No, oh no, he might be over there. I reckon he might be grabbing the scavenge, whatever, time lapse, whatever fucking thing was down there. I don't know if he. Ooh, baby guy. Right, yes. No, get him, bro. Dude, this guy's going insane. He's got 4 kills. Bro, just put him in fucking phase already. Come on. You gonna go buy another one? Has he got a self-revive? Yeah, he's got a self-revive, so he's... Yeah. I mean, you gotta spend your money somehow, because either you're gonna have a lot of money anyway, like... You gotta spend the money, or you just fucking die and then lose a whole bunch of money without actually using it, so... I guess it's sort of smart thinking, but he hasn't... Loadout drop. I mean, it took a while to process what was dropping down, because I was gonna say loadout drop. Lucky that loadout drop dropped though, without, you know, lucky you didn't actually buy one before. Oh, what gun he's using? Diamidi. What the fuck? Did you just pick a Diamidi up? Those machine pistols, whatever, from Cold War. And you just fucking use that other PPSH, what he had on the ground. So you're saying a die? Oh, there's a guy, tango right. No, actually, no, it was a jet. Don't worry about it, I reckon. Gonna go into the container. Might find another tango in there, but obviously he doesn't. He proceeds to keep on walking straight through the cargo ship. Maybe go to another buy station. Maybe, when you just think about it, he might buy another UAV. Don't worry, he hasn't got enough cash, so forget about the UAV. He's gonna proceed right in the open. You never know, he might get shot left, right, and center. Boom, he's gone back to the lobby, but he's not. He's popping in through here. No idea what he's trying to do. Maybe pick up a scout, whatever that fucking thing was. Try and find some more enemies, but obviously he's not actually finding any at the moment. Dude, I should be a spectator. He's up there. Oh, yeah, dude, you finished him off, bro. Calm down, you didn't need to steal his kill. I reckon, right? I don't think he's going to win. He's going to get top 5, though. I reckon that. Maybe 3rd. I'm going to say 3rd. He's going to get 3rd place. Calling it right now. What's a jailbreak imminent? Imminent. What does that do? Does it revive me? I'm joking. Plenty. I know it's going to revive me. Oh, no, get in there. Wait, how am I playing right now? Huh? Someone tell me what the fuck just happened. I want to watch nude, bro. That just fucked up my content. No. Are you kidding me? Nude, I'm coming for your ass, boy. Bro, I was just like, I don't know what the fuck's going on. Nude, where was nude? Why? How do I melee? Oh, yeah. Right, oh, that was not planned at all. I had no idea about that. Alright. Where's the map? Where was that guy? Wasn't he down Storage Town or some shit? Let's go there. We need to find Nude and kill him. Bring him back. Huh? Nude! What the fuck, man? Nude, what the fuck? Okay, we're back to spectating. What the fuck just happened? Oh, Nude! No, don't die, bro. Nude! Get out of the way, man! Why didn't you move? Okay, Nude. Oh, he didn't make it in the top 3, bro. Oh, no. Poor nude. Now we're gonna have to watch Ice Cube. I reckon, right? Because I'm thinking, like, maybe... I don't know. Oh, to the left! Didn't you see his light to the left, bro? Oh my god. Didn't you see a fucking sniper light? It fucking shines brighter than a fucking high beam and fucking in a full drive, bro. You would have fucking seen it, man.
Calling for fire on my target.
Oh, Gumby! Let's go, baby! Oh, Gumby, mate. Stuck in a predicament. Oh! 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 Bro, he just fucking took his head off. JJ. That was a good shot. Good shit. What was his name again? Forgot his name. What was the guy's name? I forgot. Come on. Wait, where's... I could have looked it up. I forgot. Would my name be down there somewhere? You reckon? I'm in Memoriam. What the fuck? How do you say it? Memoriam. Come on, bro. Where's my name? Where's my name? No, I didn't even say my name. Oh, it's fucking great. I feel loved. Feel loved, boys. But if you guys did like this video, make sure to drop a like on it. That was fucking, you know, gotta be honest, no idea what's going on, but yeah. So bang a video, make sure to comment as well and subscribe, and yeah, it's been it. Peace.